প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, good noon. Today is Tuesday. I hope you are all well and I am also well on Facebook mood. আমি আজকে তোমাদের একটি কলেজ জীবনের ফানি ঘটনা শোনাবো। আপনারা আনন্দ সহকারে ভিডিওটাকে স্কিপ না করে টানে টেনে একটু শুনবেন। One day I had gone to college. I have seated in the first bench, but the all students of the college of the class said to me, "You go behind, you go behind. There is no khatir with you. You go behind, you go behind." Then I, taking grip, I go to this last bench of the room. In the meantime, the principal of the college, he entered into the class, and also he was the teacher of political science, but he suddenly wrote a word on the blackboard. The word was pars, meaning PURSE, and he continually asked to the students, "What is the meaning of this word?" Anyone stand up, say what is the meaning of this word? It is the first chance of your. Then I had been hearing and I did not give answer. Sir asking to the students continually, anybody stand up, say what is the meaning? It is the second chance. Anyone stand up, say what is the meaning? Then I stood from the last bench of the class. "Sir, please give me permission to say." Then principal said to me, say please. You say what is the meaning of this word. Then I answered clearly, "Sir, the purse is called in other language money bag. Purse also used by the lady and money bag also used by the lad." Then the principal or the professor thanked me and asked me, "What is your name?" "My name is Aulad Hussain. From which school you have come?" "Sir, I am a student of Okrabari Alabakosh High School. After passing HS, I have admitted in your college." Sir asked me, "Why you have seated in the last bench?" "Sir, I think your college like a state bus, as a conductor say to the passengers, you go behind, you go behind. Like this college as a state bus. Sir, many students of the first bench said to me, you go behind, you go behind. There is no khatir, there is my friends, so you go behind." Then I giving very sorry. I took the last bench and I am very unhappy. Thank you.